Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio in this 2016 BMW 5 Series. So we go to music, you'll see there's a record kind of playing there, but if you look at the bottom there, it's showing BMW 48300, which is this one. If I click on this, it's showing iPhone or the BMW as options to play through. Now go back to the record, back to the system. So if I set this system now properly, any music that plays from your phone or is playing on your phone, whether it be a YouTube soundtrack, iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, whatever, it will play through the system. Now we have to go to media. Click on media, and you see there it's come up giving Barry's iPhone 15 as an option or auxiliary. Click on there. If I turn this up, that's it. That's how you do it.